this is my first unboxing video for Threadup. So I've been hearing about these Threadup rescue packages or rescue boxes. You get something like 15 or a certain amount of items for a certain dollar amount. You don't know what you're getting, so let's see what I got. They do put their very nice polka dotted paper in here. We'll see if the stuff inside is worth it. So, let's see. And I ordered these in a medium. I wasn't sure. I was primarily getting this for resale, so I thought a medium was kind of a mid-range size that I might be able to resell. Let's see. These are some J. Crew kind of purple velvet pants. These are pretty cool. Super soft. They look like they're in decent shape, so that's a win. I'll definitely sell those. There's a white pair of jeans. I'm not familiar with this brand. Bacchini. Have some little studs on the back. I can't tell. There might be a couple of minor spots on them. Doesn't look too bad, but I'll wash them up and see how they turn out. Let's see. These are some J. Crew shorts. These are super cute for summer. Kind of like an eyelet pattern. A little bit of pilling. I could probably clean those up with a razor. Sorry, my lighting's not that great today. This looks like a dress, a top. What is it? It's a dress. It's a dress. And this is from She and Sky. It's a large, even though I ordered a medium box, but that's all right. So that's cute. I'll have to investigate that brand. I'm not sure how much that goes for, but it's cute. Here is a dress from Tahari. That's a good brand. Oh, and it's got this cute belt that goes with it. So that's a nice kind of work dress. And that's a size 10. So that'll go in my Poshmark closet. This brand is called Honey Punch. This is a super cute color. Oh my gosh, this is really cute, this romper. Let's see, what size is it? It is a medium. I could already tell you if this were a small or an extra small, my daughter would probably claim it. So we'll throw that. This is a cute, is it a top? Oh, it's a top. Daniel Rain, I don't know that brand, but it looks like it's I can't tell what size it is right now, but that's all right. It's kind of so-so. Talbot's medium shirt, button down, kind of a festive pattern. It's pretty cute. I'll try to sell that. Somebody might be interested. And that's not my style personally, but somebody might like it. This is a Theory knit shirt. It's black. It is a size medium, and it's kind of got like that ruching on the sides. Sorry, I'm trying to get my lighting better. There we go, some ruching in the front. So it's not necessarily a current style, but somebody might be into it. And then here is a Kate Hill sweater, 100% wool sweater in a size medium. I really like this color, this kind of, what would you call that, coral, salmon? Oh, but it does, it looks like it's got something on there. It feels kind of crunchy, so I might be able to wash it and get it out or spot clean it. I'm not sure. I'll have to look at the care instructions for this. This seems like an otherwise really good quality sweater though, so if I can get that cleaned up, I'll definitely list that as well. Oh, and actually, whoever owned this previously never undid the thing in the back. If you ever buy a suit or a jacket and it's got this little, please cut the crisscross in the back. It's such a pet peeve of mine when people don't do that. Okay, so that is my unboxing of my Threadup rescue box. It was supposed to be all tops, I thought. I'll have to double check my order, and I thought it was all medium. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied. I had a I had a credit for some stuff that I sent to Threadup. So I think I paid $30 for all of these items. And they're supposed to be 15, I believe. Again, I'll have to double check my order. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied. I think as long as everything is clean and I can get it cleaned up, these will all go in my Poshmark closet. So stay tuned.